भक्ति है, कृष्ण ही शक्ति है, कृष्ण ही सार है, कृष्ण प्रेम अपार है, कृष्ण को मानो तो सरल ये सारा संसार है। हरे कृष्णा। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है नितिका गोयल और स्वागत है आप सभी का नितिका गोयल पॉडकास्ट में। आप सभी ने हमारे पिछले एपिसोड्स को बहुत सारा प्यार दिया और जी हाँ, आज हम यहाँ मौजूद हैं फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हमारे साथ श्रीला प्रभुपाद कैसल प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़े 3 मुख्य मेंबर्स हैं। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत और हार्दिक आभार। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा।
Let me introduce them first. We have today with us Chairman Deen Dayal Prabhuji, Secretary Sumit Agarwal Prabhuji, and Treasurer Ek Atma Prabhuji. प्रभुजी, आज हम सभी आपसे श्रीला प्रभुपाद कैसल प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कुछ मुख्य बातें करेंगे। हरे कृष्णा। So we welcome you all to this special project of Srila Prabhupada Castle.
हरे कृष्णा। ओम अज्ञानातिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
बहुत ही सुंदर शुरुआत हुई है हमारी और अब हम अपने पहले प्रश्न के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं। So why is this castle project important? दीनदयाल प्रभु जी, आप बताना चाहेंगे?
This project is a expansion, not the replacement. Our community is growing, so we need the larger permanent spiritual home. The castle will allow families, children, and the new visitor to experience Krishna consciousness fully without any constraint.
Wow, that is a great idea. So Sumit Prabhuji, would you like to add on something to this?
So it is a place where festivals, retreats, and educational programs can happen all at one place, creating lasting memories and spiritual growth for our community members.
Wow. That is a wonderful, wonderful vision, I think. एक बहुत ही noble vision है. And I think you're turning a dream into a reality by this project. So मेरा दूसरा सवाल है प्रभु जी, what facilities will this castle provide?
Of course, this castle will offer a spacious hall for festival and kirtans. It will provide a fully equipped commercial kitchen for prasadam, rooms for youth programs, spiritual classes and retreats, and beautiful gardens and outdoor facilities for meditation and community gathering. All of this is designed to bring more people closer to Krishna consciousness in a welcoming environment.
Wow, that is a wonderful initiative. I think people of all ages would love to come to this castle. And as the name says, it's a castle and it's going to be a magnificent project. So, आगे बढ़ते हैं दीनदयाल प्रभु जी. How does this project reflect Srila Prabhupada's vision?
Srila Prabhupada always encouraged to think big for Krishna. Temples, farms, and education centers, everything was meant to expand Krishna consciousness. The castle project continued that vision by creating a space where future generation can grow spiritually, celebrate devotion, and connect with Krishna.
Wow, that is again a very wonderful idea that we have to have a space where future generations, right, they can celebrate for many, many years to come. So, देखिए कितना सुंदर एक सोच है, एक vision है, and I really feel and pray that we all come together to turn this dream into reality. Moving on to our next question, how can people be confident in supporting this project? So, Ekatma Prabhuji, you manage the finances. Would you like to add on something to this?
Yeah. So every contribution, big or small, will be very much meaningful to us. We have a clear, transparent plan to make this project sustainable and to use these funds wisely. I believe that supporting the castle is an investment in the spiritual future of the community.
And Deen Dayal Prabhuji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Yes, and it's an opportunity to leave a lasting impact, helping more souls come to the Krishna consciousness. Like tomorrow we won't be here, but this castle will be there. Srila Prabhupada will be there, and it will help to grow in Krishna consciousness. It's good for all the future generation.
तो वो किसी ने कहा है ना, कल खेल में हम हो ना हो, गर्दिश में सितारे रहेंगे सदा। तो देखिए कितना अच्छा एक विजन है कि हम अपनी फ्यूचर जनरेशंस के लिए एक लास्टिंग, एक कम्युनिटी, एक ऐसी स्पिरिचुअल स्पेस बना के जाना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे कितने हजारों वर्षों तक लोग आए और जुड़े रहें। और अब हम अपने अगले सवाल की ओर बढ़ते हैं जिसकी जिज्ञासा बहुत सारे लोगों में है। How will this project be financially sustainable? How will loans be managed? So I think this is a question which many people want to know. So Ekatma Prabhuji, being the treasurer, I would like your input on this.
Yeah, absolutely. The project has been carefully studied and planned to be financially sustainable. Okay, the castle will generate modest and responsible revenue through multiple revenue streams like weddings and private ceremonies, and then festivals and cultural programs, retreats and spiritual workshops. Prasadam catering will be a big one. Classes and educational programs, spiritual tours and guided visits. These revenue streams, combined with the donation which we'll receive, will allow us to repay the loan responsibly, maintain the facility efficiently, and ensure that the castle thrives as a permanent and self-sustaining spiritual hub for generations.
As Ekatma Prabhu explained, we have a full confidence in this plan. The castle will be financially secure, managed responsibly, and fully capable of serving the future generation for decades.
Right. That is a wonderful idea of serving the future generations for decades. So since this place, Srila Prabhupada Castle, is gonna be a space for everyone, right? So I would like to know that how can everyone come forward, support, contribute and participate in this project?
So anyone can help by donating financially, volunteering their time and skill, or spreading the words to family and friends.
Actually, every effort brings us closer to making this castle a reality. Even sharing this vision is a meaningful contribution.
That's so right. So किसी भी तरह, जैसे कहते हैं ना, मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, मतलब कि आपका विचार से, वाणी से, व्यवहार से, जिस भी प्रकार से आप चाहें, please come forward and support this noble cause. Show your support, contribute, participate in whichever possible way you can. This is our humble request to turn Srila Prabhupada Castle dream, this wonderful vision, into reality. श्रीला प्रभुपाद कैसल से जुड़ी हुई सभी जानकारी के लिए आप वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। प्रभु जी, would you like to share the website address?
It is srilaprabhupadcastle.com.au. You can find all the information over there, all the contact details, how to contribute to this mission, all updated here.
थैंक यू। सो इट इज अ वंडरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन। अगर आप वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे आपको एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी के सब मेंबर्स की कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स वहां मिलेगी, संपूर्ण जानकारी वहां पर है। और साथ में यदि आपका कोई भी फीडबैक है तो आप उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में छोड़ सकते हैं। फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट द एग्जीक्यूटिव टीम मेंबर थ्रू द वेबसाइट।
Let's come together to build a space which can serve generation of devotees.
Yes, let's support this project. Let's turn and create a permanent spiritual hub that benefits everyone. Together, let's build Srila Prabhupada Castle. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Thank you so much for watching.